Hello and welcome back. I think it's time to address some of the misconceptions and ambiguity around data analysis and data science. Depending on which company you work for, the definition of data analysis and data science may actually get lost very easily. I don't want you to find yourself in a predicament that you signed up as a data scientist for a specific company and only to find out you're actually doing work as a data analyst instead. Both data scientists and data analysts are niche specialties and have actually different goals, and we are going to address this. So let's address this confusion once and for all. To better address the confusion is to explain the roles of a data scientist and a data analyst. So let's start with the data analysts. Data analysts are concerned with data collection techniques and how data is organized for statistical and data analysis. And furthermore, they are required to discover data patterns that help the business make informed decisions through prepared business reports. To better explain this, the main objective of data analysts is to help companies solve business problems using discovered patterns and trends. So let's move on to data scientists. Data scientists are more technical and mathematical than data analysts. Let me explain why. Data scientists are research and academic orientated, meaning data scientists perform a case study using supported data and are expected to predict the future. For an example, data scientists may study consumer spending behavior data with the sole intention of predicting how consumers will prefer to spend their money. Let's say 5 years from now. Other variables and external data they may consider are climate change, the rise of veganism, political climate, another pandemic, and so on that can influence consumer spending. So being able to predict consumer spending patterns years from now may help a company position future products to its consumers to help the company sustain itself and even grow. So to put this into perspective, data analysts can use the very same consumer spending behavior data that will most likely come from just business applications rather than external data sources. Their task would be to look at the historical transactions, perhaps to expose and improve business efficiency. Models can be deployed to put focus on what has happened so far, basically to help the business to learn more about itself, to increase service efficiency to their customers, and also profitability. Alright, so where does the confusion actually come from? The first problem is that data analysts and data scientists use similar tools to a certain degree, such as Python, R, and SQL, which can imply that the job is actually quite similar. At the heart of both data analysts and data scientists, they are expected to help the business make informed decisions, even though the methods are very different. So again, the implication here is that this may sound as if they are both similar roles. Anyways, here is a summary of the roles and expectations of a data scientist and data analyst. Please hit the pause button and go through the comparison, and this should help you decide on a career choice. But either way, learning Python for data analysis will benefit you both. Alright, so I will see you on the next one to discuss the skill set of a data analyst and data scientist. Goodbye.